Hi, I'm Joey DeFranco, Director of Next Lab at Exhibit Concepts. I'm incredibly excited today to share with you a sneak peek at our virtual exhibit platform. 2020 is a bit different, and we understand that the landscape has changed, and going forward, events are going to need more robust capabilities than ever. So we've put together a virtual exhibit platform to allow you to share content as an experience, not only as a supplement for the lack of trade shows that may be happening in the spring and summer season, but in support of additional challenges we all may face in the fall and into 2021. So let's take a look. So let's take a look behind the scenes at our virtual exhibit platform. I'm here on the main page of our VEP, and much like any virtual event, it's going to have a series of modules kind of going down the page here that serve different functions. We have a nice big header here at the top, allowing us to put out some bold kind of header messaging as well as a countdown to our live event. If you are live, we have a nice live video feed here that you have the ability to go full screen with. It can play pre-recorded content live. It can also plug into our wide variety of video streaming options and services that we're going to be providing along with the platform. And it does have a chat feature here, so you can say hello to the host and join the conversation while the live stream is going. We have the ability to do different graphics, lower thirds, pre-canned content, cutaway videos, as well as help you produce live content from your office or even the show floor. Want to set up a whole event for folks? Take a look at our scheduler, which allows you to schedule different events into the live platform. You can have different dates here to let people know when content will be live, what time it'll be on, and they have the ability to register as well and add that to their own calendar, whether it's iCal, Outlook, or even Google Calendar. Each individual speaker, you can put the title of the event, what they're going to be talking about. This is really just kind of an open content space, depending on if you're doing product demonstrations, having individual speakers present content, or even, like I said, present pre-recorded content live. It's just a way for attendees to know what's coming and when, and then the ability to, of course, set reminders for themselves. Have some content that doesn't need to be showed live from a video standpoint. We have our video library here. This allows you to kind of pre-populate a variety of content we can do in rows of 3 across. You can tell your story beneath each individual piece of content, and these can play Vimeo, YouTube, whatever other embeds you have if you want to attribute any views to your existing channel, or we're able to host and embed them for you as well too. These also have the ability to play full screen. Here's an example of an AR engagement we can do. So, what this is a virtual augmented reality version of our booth from Exhibitor Live. And this allows you, when you're on a mobile device, to be able to drop the booth in your backyard or living room, or even on a tabletop, and explore the architecture virtually. And the neat thing about this is we're having added functionality in here where you can click onto our image, and it'll bring up a QR code that you can scan with your mobile device that'll instantly open up the AR program on there. And we've even provided a little bit of a tutorial for folks who may not be familiar with augmented reality on how to use it. Next up here is our documents area. So this is the ability to pre-populate blog posts, additional content linking back to your own site from an SEO standpoint. It also allows you to put PDFs, PowerPoint decks, things like that, with the ability to download direct. Beneath this, we have an FAQ section, so if there's commonly asked questions about the event, about the products that you're putting down there, we have this nice kind of accordion piece where you're able to add different FAQs going down the line. This is where we're at in our current state, but additional modules we're building are a one-to-one scheduler to be able to book GoToMeetings, WebEx, Zooms with folks. They can kind of opt in directly off this page, and we can connect them to your sales team. We also are trying a different type of content form to allow some easy lead vetting and contact vetting as you are having folks attend these virtual events. So that can plug directly into your CRM. And all of this content, all of this technology, we work with you as an exhibit partner all the way through, from the beginning to the end, nose to tail. We'll help you craft content, we'll help you curate your existing content, write your programming, and even if need be, work with brand ambassadors and hired talent to be able to fill in the gaps to produce a virtual event. We're incredibly excited to keep rolling out new features on this tool, and we can't wait to show it to you more.